Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Facebook ads and Instagram ads only show up to people who are connected to Wi-Fi. The reason why you want to do this is because if people are connected to Wi-Fi, it's a strong indicator that they're probably at home, in the office, at the coffee shop, in the library, somewhere where there isn't that much distraction, right? Whereas if they're not on Wi-Fi, that means they're probably out and about, really busy and highly distracted. Yeah. So guys, in order to minimize the distraction so people engage with your ads a lot more, you may want to try this way of targeting in your ads. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make your ads show up to people only that are connected to Wi-Fi. So we're not going to waste no time. Let's get into the video. The reason why this is important, right, is because people who are on Wi-Fi are usually going to be at home, in the office, in the library. They'll be somewhere where there isn't that much distraction. Whereas if they're not on Wi-Fi and they're on 5G or anything like that, that means they're going to be out and about. They're out and about. So you ain't really got their attention like that. You ain't got their attention like that. They're just kind of scrolling past or see it, or they're looking at your ad in a half-hearted way, but they're not really taking it in. But by targeting people through to ensure that they are on Wi-Fi, this is safe to assume that there isn't that much distraction. So you're more likely to get the action that you want, right? So in order to do that, guys, all you got to do is this, yeah. You just got to click create right here. And you could choose any of these objectives right here. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to go for sales and then click continue. And guys, we'll come down here to advantage campaign budget. And then for the sake of the video, we'll do $20, right? Then we'll click next. Then here, I'm not going to go into too much detail here. But here, guys, you can choose where you want the conversion to happen, whether it's a set, if you want to get a sale or lead, you can choose here if you want that to happen, where you want that to happen. You select your pixel. Once you selected your pixel, you can choose the conversion event. Here, for the sake of the video, I chose purchase. And then, guys, here you choose your audience, the country that you're trying to target, the age, gender, all that good stuff, right? The interest, you can put in the interests and all that. But guys, this is how to target people who are just on Wi-Fi. You click manual placements right here. Then you scroll down all the way down and then click show more options. And then right here, only when connected to Wi-Fi. And then click edit and then tick this. You can leave it as all mobile devices, but you can tick this. So that means that when your ad is running, it's only going to show to people who are connected to Wi-Fi. And this will help ensure that, okay, they're in a much more stable environment. Because we have to remember, guys, we are in the attention economy. There's more apps, more content, there's more stuff that is battling for the attention of your customer. There's more distractions in the media. So our way of controlling that or minimizing that as much as possible is by selecting this option right here. Because when you're targeting ads, right, a lot of people forget this. They forget that when you're running ads, you're running ads to a human being who has a life. They're not sitting around just waiting for your ad to show up. They're not doing that. They're out and about. They're with their boyfriend. They're with their girlfriend. It's windy outside. Their umbrella just broken. They've got their phone in their hand. There's a lot of stuff happening. So by selecting when only connected to Wi-Fi, we minimize that as much as possible. We don't get rid of it because there's always going to be distractions. Because there's going to be distractions at home. Say, for example, you have a child or like you have siblings. Like there's going to be distractions at home, or at the coffee shop or in the library. But at least it minimizes it a little bit. So guys, select this option as part of your ads and see if that helps with bringing a lift in your conversions. Yeah. But guys, I've done this before and it works. It works. It definitely makes a difference. Yeah. But guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you in your business. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.